topic of this presentation is how backtesting can help to save your dollars. So in this presentation we will see one example. Now what typically happens is many traders rush into trading without doing proper backtesting and research. Poor and illogical systems cost them money, and many traders quit trading after losing substantial amount of money. Well, begin is half done. Don't start your trading unless you have done proper research. Doing research and proper backtesting will take some efforts on your part. It will also require some time to learn these things and some time in testing itself. But in the end, it's a well spent effort. So to go through this concept or this point, I have developed a sample system. The system is very simple. I think the code is only 6 or 7 lines long, and it is developed for crude light instrument on daily bars. So when I apply this system on crude light daily bars for the period 2007 to 2009, it gives me this kind of equity curve. So it is making close to $120,000 in a period of 2 years, and as you can see, the equity curve is nicely going up. So the result of this system indeed seems impressive. If we go to the performance summary report, it shows that the profit factor is 2.19, 119 trades and close to $996 average trade. So all these parameters are quite impressive, and it indeed can be quite a good and tradable system. Since these results are impressive, I decided to apply some money management rules on top of this trading system. So starting with capital of $100,000 and applying some simple money management rules, the capital would have reached close to $3+ million in a period of just 18 months. This is close to return of 3900% in just 18 months. As you can see, the performance of this system is exceptional, and I was literally impatient to start trading this system. But then I thought, why so much hurry? Let's see the performance of this system on some other period or on some other instrument. So this time I decided to apply same system on a 20 years period from 1991 to 2011 for crude light, and now it tells me completely different story. As you can see, till 2007, that is almost up to the trade number 900, it has not made any substantial gains. The equity curve has remained below $30,000 always. Many times it has touched zero value, again gone up, again came down, again gone up, and again came down. Then suddenly in 2007 it started zooming in and it made substantial profit, and then from 2009 again it started losing the money. Now sitting in 2007 and looking back its performance for last 15-16 years, I would not have decided to trade this system. Then looking at the back-tested performance again in 2009, I still would not have tested this system because there is no consistency. But had somebody decided to trade this system based on last 2 years data, he would have still lost the money. Let's see the performance summary report also for this system. So in the 20 years period, it has made mere $68,000 profit, total 1200 trades, average trade profit is $56, and possibly with slippage and commission this will also vanish. Profit factor is 1.11, which is quite poor. Now let's see, had somebody started trading this system looking at last 2 years performance in 2009, then what he would have experienced. If the person would have put $100,000 and expected his money to grow another 3900%, that is close to $4 million in that period, he would have been there with complete disappointment. Starting with $100,000, he would have made some profit initially, but then system would have started failing, and over a period of next 18 months, this person would have lost his entire capital. So the key point from this discussion is repeatability of a trading technique should be of utmost importance to you. Any technique that made $1 zillion in past is of no use unless you can establish future repeatability of those results. Backtesting is one important tool to assess this repeatability or robustness. So thank you for watching this video and happy trading. Before I close this presentation, something about Equinox. Equinox is a company based in Singapore providing premier trading education in the field of leverage trading instruments. The tools and techniques we teach in our trading courses are backed by solid research. In addition to this, Equinox also provides consultancy advice to traders on various topics like trading systems, evaluation, backtesting, money management and portfolios. You can learn more about our offerings by visiting our website www.tradingsystems.com.sg. Thank you.